Okay, to solve this question, you can do it a couple of different ways. You can just use y equals mx plus b and plug in a 4/15 for the slope, and then plug in your x and your y value. And then when you solve this, you can get, at the end, you figure out what your y-intercept is. Or you can also use this equation. And when you use this equation, you're not solving for anything, you're just rewriting it in y equals mx plus b, having plugged in all the stuff you need. So your slope is 4/15, x value is 5, y value is 7. So let's distribute that 4/15 x in, and then 4/15 times 5, I think that'd be minus 20 over 15. Let's simplify that. 4/15 x minus, I think that's 4/3. And now we just have to move the 7 over. So I'm going to add 7 here, add 7 there. So we'll get y is equal to 4/15 x. Okay, minus 4/3 plus 7. Okay, 7 over 1, so I could times each by 3 to get a common denominator. So it'd be negative 4/3 plus 21/3.
There's a conversation I've been hoping to have with you for a while now, but I've never found the right time to have it.
And
What are you
then,
saying?
if I collect like terms, that'll be a positive 17/3. It's quite easy when you're doing this to forget that negative sign. Or on this side, if you subtract 7, you have to add 7. So it's often easy to make mistakes on those signs.